Good evening to everyone. In today's class, we are going to see the sum of digits in a given number. So in our last videos, we just come across with reversal of number or patterns in different ways, different swapping of numbers. Like that, we come across with different codes. Kindly observe the same logic can be used in different programs. So here also I'm using same logic of swapping numbers or reversing of numbers here. So kindly observe. So before, first of all, I'm just explaining what will be my input and how I mean, what will be my expected output. So here I'm just want to give a numerical, which is 38, My wish is it need to be added up. That means 3 plus 8. It should be added up like 3 plus 8 and showing the summation value as 11. Showing the summation value as 11. So that means we will see how to write the code. We will receive. Okay. So I just want to take this value from the user because I want to check different numbers. So I'm taking from this value from the user. So I'm using the printf statement. So whatever the user provided the value, it should be read up into my variable. So I'm using the scanf statement. Since it is an integer variable, I'm using the %d format specifier. Okay, I'm storing this value in address of n. That means in the place of n, I'm storing this value. So now, whatever the value is there, it need to be added up. That means the given number is divided with 10. If the given number is divided with 10, I'm getting the remainder as 8. I'm getting the remainder as 8. And the coefficient is 3. And the coefficient is 3. So in the first iteration, I'm getting my remainder as 8. When you kindly observe, this 8 is nothing but my units digit. And I'm taking this coefficient in my second iteration as my number, and I'm dividing this with 10. So now in this iteration, the remainder will be the 3. The remainder will be 3, and the coefficient is 0. So whenever your coefficient becomes 0, there is no need of further iteration. So this will be the ends of your logic. Now kindly observe, previously your units place digit is came. Right now you are getting your tens digit. So you need to add up these two things. So it should be added up to your previous remainder. So I'm writing the code first logically. So this should be happens. So I'm declaring one more variable, sum, because it need to be sum up. So sum up. To avoid the garbage values, I'm just initializing with 0. Sum. Instead of providing the remainder as another variable, I'm just using directly here. So I'm dividing with, I want the remainder. So I'm using the modulus for remainder. The next case, the coefficient will becomes as my number. So n divided by 10. So when up to what duration it should be run, or up to how many iterations it should be run, it depends upon the until the coefficient becomes 0. Until the coefficient becomes 0, that means until the coefficient becomes 0, it should be continuous its journey. Until it is coefficient, I mean, whatever this numerical becomes 0, it can continue. So I'm using the, I don't know how many times or how many things. So I'm just providing an loop variable I. So I'm initializing this loop variable I equals to 0, I equals to 0, and it will be continuous when n not equals to 0. So whenever it n becomes 0, it can be stopped. So it can be further increased. So once it is completed, you are supposed to print So I'm just running my code. We will check what will be the answer. So the error is I'm forgetting the semicolon here. So that is the error. Okay, they ask what is the value. So I'm entering the 38. So it is providing the answer as 11. Okay. So I'm providing a 3-digit number around 394. 394. That means it is 60. Okay. So our code runs for whatever the value you entered. Sorry. Okay, it's 40. So this is the program. Directly I'm writing this code. I'm directly writing this code within the main function. Instead of that, you may call this logic. In main program, and this logic can be written in outside of the main program. That we call it as functions. We will see that logic in our next classes. Okay, thank you.